attributes in CapCut. This is one of those features that saves you a ton of time in video editing. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Let's say you've already animated one clip, like this ball moving across the screen. I've scaled it down, positioned it at the bottom left, then added keyframes, moved it to the center, scaled it up, and added rotation, and finally pushed it to the right, while scaling it back down and adding another rotation. Now, let's refine the motion a bit. Right-click the clip, select Variable Speed, then go to the graph. Switch to the Y-axis, highlight the middle keyframe, and apply an ease curve. Stretch both sides of the curve slightly to smooth out the animation. Now, instead of repeating all that work for another clip, right-click the animated clip and hit Copy Attributes. Then right-click the second clip and select Paste Attributes. Make sure everything is checked so it copies position, scale, and all your keyframes. And just like that, the second clip follows the exact same motion. No redoing animations, no wasted time. Once you start using this, you won't go back. Now, if you want both clips to play one after the other, just move the top clip slightly forward so the bottom clip plays first. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. More simple tricks like this coming your way.